use this. So where's your plate?
Umbrella.
Oh, we don't need an umbrella. It's not hot. We don't need an umbrella. Put up. Excuse me. I would love to recommend this. Para kung may area kayo na dead, like try to improvise something. Like, you know, like those things na ayaw nyo. Ah, yeah, you want to draw? Like those things na painting yung ganun. Painting, yung may gamit talaga na oil. Hindi ko sila nagamit sa loob ng bahay.
What is that?
It's just an almond milk. That's your milk. You just have to mix it. Oh. So, correct. Just one, you. Okay?
Mommy.
Love, stop doing that. Do you understand?
Hmm?
Stop doing that.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Go. And lights. Where's lights? Mommy, where's lights?
I have no idea, sweetheart. Do you want to draw or what? Ang dami mong gustong gawin, my love. Ang dami mong gustong gawin.
Mommy, what is that?
Mas, glove.
Let me try.
Sure. Here you go. Here.
Glove. Glove.
More, please.
More, please.
Yes. Let's not forget the magic word, ne?
What's that magic?
It means
I'm ready.
yes. Are you?
Mommy, where's my this?
What?
Hi, guys.
What done, sweetheart?
Hi, guys. What's over there? A zebra. Yes.
You want to vlog? You want to talk to our friends?
Yes.
Okay. I think you have to bring it farther a little because okay. Show them your food. Show them your unfinished food. She's eating this all. Yan, hindi niya pa natatapos. Why not? It's yummy.
Don't want orange.
Love? You can talk with them, you can talk to them, you can sing. Okay, you can sing to them. Like A, B, C, D. I'm just gonna mix your almond.
A, B, C, D, F, G. Done.
Here you go.
It's done.
Yeah, your A, B, C, D, it's done. I have carrots and cucumber. Do you like to? Do you like to? What do you want? What do you like? What do you want?
What is that?
Carrots or cucumber?
Carrot.
Okay.
Cucumber.
Huh?
Potato right here or cucumber? Let's make it a cucumber.
Cucumber? Oh, let's get just one small, okay? Right.
No.
You want to dip? Okay. If you want to, go try. Okay, try the taste. Oh my gosh. Yummy? Okay, whatever you like. As long as you're gonna eat it.
Nom, nom, nom.
Are you sure? Love you.
I love you.
This time I need to wait it out. Hold on tight, there's a storm standing in the eye.
My shoulder wet.
Hmm?
Wet.
It's okay. Where's your brush?
I know. Mommy, I'm doing.
What color do you like?
This one.
What color is that?
Green.
Green. Okay.
Watermelon.
Okay, so the question is, the task is, 丸いものを見つけて全部丸で書くの。You circle the round things. Okay. 丸い。丸い。What is this?
Watermelon.
Very good. どこかな丸い。
This one.
これは違う。これは triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, what is this? Triangle じゃない。Just circle. Round. Just round. Okay. これは triangle. It's not circle. Just do the circle. Just do the circle. Where is the circle? Okay, what is this?
Clock.
Clock. What is this? Candy. Is this round? Okay.
This is clock.
Very good.
See, this is clock.
This is clock. What time is it? Can we count together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Perfect! You're perfect! You're smart! Good job! You got it! I'm so happy that you are learning.
Next, what's next?
You are learning so
This
well,
one,
Destiny.
this.
Ko next tayo. Mommy check. Mommy check.
No, not yet.
Mama check. Mama check. Round. What is this? I see more round circles. I see more circle shapes. Here you go. What happened to your crayons? Oh my gosh, this crayon. Hi, here you go. Right. Circle, 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 circle.
When I look
One
at the
circle.
way you sleep, I know
Two circles.
I'm home.
Three circles. What color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Pink. What's
Well,
next?
the same color of your pajama.
Same color of pajama.
Oh, mommy's pajama.
What's next?
Okay, done. Let's go shield.
I can change.
What's next?
Shield, what? Seal. Where's the seal? Get the seal. Next tayo. So.
Like a
Next
flash
tayo.
of the future I
Next tayo.
see. I
Take tayo. Here we go.
trust you.
Where is it?
Tomorrow, spin your sorrow.
What's that?
Let the games begin. Reach out of your bed, come out ahead. Don't dwell within.
Who's that? Is that Sarah? Cute.
I'm Green Sarah.
How is it?
That's angry.
Angry? What's that?
What's next?
Where's your eraser?
Tomorrow, spin your
Here's the eraser.
sorrow. Let the games begin. Reach out of your bed, come out ahead. Don't dwell within.
You are amazing.
Yeah.
You are beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Mm.
Mommy, look. It's rowing.
Yes, nice. You can do whatever you want.
I also printed out a new photo to put in this frame in our entryway, so we're gonna try that out now. Hopefully. And I think now is the time, the moment of truth. We'll see if this wreath looks pretty on the bed hood. I'm still not sure, but I think once we have it up there and I can kind of look at it from a distance, we'll be able to solidify our decision. I hope it works out though, because that'll be such a pretty statement. We'll need a little bit to kind of adjust to it. So I'm gonna leave it up for maybe a few days. I still have the tag on the wreath, and we have our copper little colander on top of this cookbook, and we have our yellow bowl style over these plates. And this one I've actually had for a while, but it actually really goes well with Thanksgiving because it says thanks a latte. And then we have this adorable teapot and our coffee station. Excited to use this tomorrow morning.
Very nice.
What's happening? Run.
Horse,
Run.
ready to cuddle up and watch more Gilmore Girls. We have our drive to
Investigate.
all the things that they share.
Well,
Thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to see you super soon.
Bye.
Bye!
Yes. Mommy. Just to use it for Nani.
That is nice. Just got back from Ikea and bumili kami ng door. Ayan siya guys. Nalagay ko lahat yung mga bagay na pati yung mga gamit namin na hindi ko alam kung saan ilalagay. Nalagay ko lahat sila in a very pretty way. Pwede ako maglagay ng plants, yung mga maliliit kong flower vase na hindi ko alam kung paano sila or saan sila gagamitin. I'm just so happy kasi it turned out like this. It's so pretty. In-adjust ko yung dito para magkasya lang sakto yung baso. So, ang binili namin is black na door para mag-contrast siya doon sa white namin na vase. Tapos, kasi although white to, but I thought na mas maganda, mas stylish, mas elegant kapag black yung door and the up and down yung glass niya. So, I'm so excited. I am pretty sure matapos na to para makita ko yung outcome, and I'm pretty sure magiging gorgeous to after that.
something for me.
How to shake. Papa, how to shake.
Okay.
I want to shake.
Okay.
And I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. And I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answer, and you'll find what you've got. Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road.
Pinifeel ko yung weather, guys, kasi ang lamig sa labas. Pinifeel ko lang yung yung vibe, yung ambience ng bahay, lahat tahimik. Play lang ako sa Spotify ng ng snow playlist, tapos kinabit ko siya dun sa speaker, kaya heaven, alam mo yun. Tapos tahimik lang sa Destiny. Sarap lang, sarap, guys. Alam mo yung ganitong sobrang napakalit lang na bagay. Alam mo yung wala ka naman ginagawa pero masaya ka, peaceful ka. Alam mo sa sarili mo na peaceful ka. Sarap. Sarap sa pakiramdam. Kinikilig ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Basta masaya lang ako. Kumusta kayo, guys? Nanigin, guys, ang sarap sa feeling. Grabe.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me.